Hi, today I'm going to be showing you how to send a bunch of snaps all at once and get your snap score up really awesomely high. Alright, so you go to take a picture and then you see that little arrow that's pointing down. Press that and use multi-snap. And you can do up to 10 pictures. See, we can just take a picture of this really awesome drink and tell that your people about this really awesome drink. This is called Zip Fizz. Well, you can send up to 10 pictures at a time. Alright, so now that you got all the pictures, you can see how much time you want. And then you can send it to a bunch of people. See? You can send all those snaps and then your snap score can go up really quickly. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a good day. Goodbye.